Need to combine multiple PDF files into a single document? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to merge PDF files in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. Follow along and you'll have all your PDFs combined into one organized file in just a few minutes. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once Acrobat is open, go to the Tools menu and select Combine Files. This feature allows you to merge multiple PDFs and other supported file types into a single document. Next, you can add files and from your computer for the PDF files you want to combine. After adding your files, you can click the Combine button. Adobe Acrobat will process the files and create a new merged PDF document. Once the process is complete, review the combined document to make sure all pages are included and arranged correctly. And that's it. You've successfully merged multiple PDF files into a single document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF tips and productivity guides.